What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Quantifiable Adventures in this beautiful winter wonderland of Bellaire, Michigan. So we start our ride. I'm driving the Skidoo GSX, beautiful sled, and I hear a clunk 6 miles into our journey. The sled stops working. I can't give it any more gas. Get off. We all look under the sled and see this nasty, gunky goo coming out from underneath, and we're like, okay, we're gonna have to go pick up the other skidoo because this is not gonna work for the rest of our adventures of the day. So we had to tow it back up and down all these curves and hills to get back to where we were staying, and it was crazy. We went up this big hill. The other sled, the Renegade, was having problems because didn't get enough speed, couldn't get up the hill, so here we are both stuck on this hill going backwards. We have to, think quick, make sure that we're steering correctly so we're not flipping over each other. I couldn't get any film of that, obviously, because I was a little preoccupied steering the broken sled, but we managed. We went back, we got the 550, and we headed out for our adventure.
We're ready for round 2, guys.
birds are chirping, the sun's out, you can hear the river over there, and the hum of snowmobilers coming by, and it's just beautiful.
Not a bad view for a bathroom break.
Today is February 23rd. We're out here, it's about 43 degrees out, and it's feeling like spring. Trails are holding up pretty well. We're out here with Nicole and Neil, and so far it's been a pretty good day. The videographer made it to about the gas station and broke down, so we're down a sled today. Sad day. What do you think's wrong with it? The chain?
Chain
Chain
case
case?
took a puke at least.
Yeah. So, not sure what that damage entails yet, but we'll have to look at it tonight.
Kelly was so aggressively driving it.
Yeah.
It was not.
Trails are busy, and we're gonna head up to the 131 crossroad, turn around, come back, go to the East Jordan Snowmobile Clubhouse where they've got events today and radar shootouts and food. Most importantly, food. So that's our plan.
How was your run?
It was good. It was good.
How's the snow?
Soft and fun. Slippery. It's hard to turn.
Yeah,
That's fun. Because it makes it harder to hook up, so you gotta work a little harder.
absolutely.
It's beautiful. Such a beautiful weekend. Oh my gosh. Very grateful that you guys had us up this weekend. It's been such a gorgeous, gorgeous weekend with the sunshine and fresh air, and it's been a lot of fun.
Oh,
Absolutely.
Off the cuff, that was pretty special, Nicole.
You know, who said say something
Proud of you.
special?
The Jordan Valley was the trail system that we drove through, and it was incredible. Just the snow was great, the groomers were out, so we had nice trails for the majority of the time. There was not too many other riders out, so it wasn't too crowded. And the sun, oh my God, the sun has been amazing. It's just been a great sledding weekend. Really fortunate to be up here with some friends and enjoying this 40-degree weather in February. Say what? Crazy, but so nice. Very fortunate to be up here doing adventures. Northern Michigan, there's no other place in Northern Michigan. So. like, and subscribe to see more. Bye!
Thank you for watching another episode of our travel vlog adventures. Special shout out to the snow groomers in Kalkaska County and in East Jordan. We appreciate everything you do for us snow riders.